Well, of course you know me. It is I, Quinn, Grand Illusionist Extraordinaire, Master of the Eye, Keeper of Dreams, Carvale's greatest legacy, etc., etc. Ha! Doubt creeps in, does it, Ramil? Do you question the Night Singer's wisdom? Do you dare choose your own path? What do you mean the worst thing that can happen is nothing happens? Oh no, no, that's exactly what I want. Just a couple of days where absolutely nothing happens. A single soul does not pass through this world without my knowledge. A stray whisper, a forgotten memory, a single heartbeat, all belong to me now. I'm gonna give you 15 seconds to remove yourself from my office, because if you don't, what happens next won't be very pretty. Please, promise me that you'll keep fighting, and don't you dare blame yourself. I joined you knowing the risks, because I believed in you, and that hasn't changed. This might be the end of my story, but it's not the end of ours. Finish what we started, okay? And put on a good show for me. I'll be watching.